Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to have like hit sounds for your game. So if you want to know how to, I'm not done setting it up, but if you want to know how to set it up, just like I'll put a video in the description on how to set it up. So yeah. So pretty much this is what you want to do. You want to have your Gorilla Rig imported for blah blah blah. Just create a plane or like a cube size down or whatever. But I just like creating planes because it's already like pre-made. And then you want to do this. Like, let me just import it, whatever texture or whatever. Okay, so there we have a material in our grass. Blah blah blah. So this is what you want to do. For the vibrations, you have this script right here called player. I'm gonna put this script in the description, but pretty much, and then like the other script will be in the pinned comment. It'll be like this, and then the script that you're gonna want to use will be in the description, which is the vibration script and just like one hit sound. But I'm gonna show you how to get different hit sounds. So just give me 1 second. So you're gonna copy that script, Control A, and then just Control V. Then bam, save that, and then you can just do that, and then bam, it'll start loading. And then this should pop up right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna change the amount to 25, and then this is what you're gonna do. So for the audio source, if you want different hit sounds, like how I'm gonna show you, create an empty object. I'm gonna call it waste hit sound, and I'm gonna add that. We're gonna add an audio source to it, and then just make sure this is not on, and then bam, waste hit sound, drag it into here. And then the other script that we're going to be using is, just give me 1 second guys, be right back. And the script I'm talking about was from my channel trailer, so it's gonna be called this. It's gonna be called HitSoundScript right here. And this is pretty much what you're gonna do. So it's like this. I coded like, I changed the script up a little bit, but that's like, and then so you want to click the grass right here, or like whatever your edit is, and you want to drag this onto here. Now it's gonna show this audio source, blah blah blah. So now you're going to want to create an empty object. Since this is grass, I'm gonna call it grass hit sound. I'm gonna add an audio source, and don't play on awake. And then I'm just gonna get the one from my game. Give me 1 second. So as you can see, we have the audio source right here. So then you're gonna click your grass hit sound, drag the audio source into here, and then now you have your grass hit sound thing. And I'm just gonna do this for just future purposes. You know, just future purposes. Alright. So clearly it isn't working, but I did it the exact way I did in my game. So LeftHand Controller. There we go. So this is what you want to do. So this is what you want to have: a sphere collider with itch trigger 0.05 radius, and then you're gonna have different hit sounds, and that's how you get hit sounds to your game. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe. Another tutorial soon on how to set up multiplayer in your Gorilla Tag fan game. And peace.